Let's fill out the Arizona Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess.
Now the sale price in our
sloppy
example,
number can look like odometer fraud.
$8,500.
And how it's paid? Here. Paid in full by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as
the seller
back
and the buyer
taxes and
each
penalties.
print their name, sign,
and it
date.
leaves the buyer with weaker
2 things
proof
before
of
you're
what
done.
they actually paid. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And
in this
make
video,
2 copies.
we'll walk you through what you
Each
need
side
to know
keeps
about
completing a vehicle
the
bill of
buyer
sale
needs it
to
to
register the
state.
vehicle.
First,
And the seller
let's
needs
talk
it as
about
proof they are
signatures.
no longer responsible for
Only
that car.
one
Owner's signature is required, regardless of how many owners are listed on the vehicle. The buyer will
Your
also
state
need to sign the
also
document.
offers an official
So
form.
make sure both
The
parties
form
are present or can sign before the sale is
48-2004
finalized.
if you'd rather use it. It's
Next
linked
up,
in the description.
remember,
This is
notarization.
general information.
This state requires
not
the bill
legal
of
or
sale to
tax
be
advice.
acknowledged before a notary. So plan ahead